So wealth isn't about how much money you make. It's about how you make it. Think about where does somebody's money come from? It comes from mostly their time. And that's 99% of the world's population. But the 1%, how do they make their money? They make it through their assets or through a business or some sort of investment that's giving them a return. That's the wealth. And it doesn't have to be a lot of money, because as soon as your money comes from some other places other than time, that's where you can start having financial freedom, right? And it doesn't have to be a lot of money. Like even if you're earning $500 a week or $1,000 a week, or just a couple of $100 a week, but it's not coming from where you have to work a 9-to-5 job, that's where you are wealthy. You could be earning $300,000 a year, $200,000 a year, but that's not really wealth. And where the misconception is, most people think that that's wealth. So they chase the next paycheck, they chase the next pay increase, the next job promotion. And a lot of people are just not really doing anything for themselves. It's thinking about, how do I actually earn an additional stream of income that's going to one day replace my job? And start small. You could start from $100 a week, $200 a week, and build up to the point where when you retire, when you get to 65 years old, you've got something that can replace your job. You've got $100,000 or $200,000 coming in passively as a passive income. That's real wealth. That's what real wealth is all about. It's got nothing to do with how much you earn. It's got everything to do with how you earn it.